From 0 to 100 push-ups, one man's journey to a stronger body. Transitioning from being unable to perform a single push-up to mastering the art of completing 100 push-ups is a remarkable journey that embodies perseverance, dedication, and personal growth. Here's a narrative detailing one man's journey to a stronger body through the pursuit of push-up mastery. Chapter 1. The Beginning. Like many, he began his fitness journey with doubts and uncertainties. Struggling with his weight and lacking physical strength, the idea of performing a push-up seemed daunting. But fueled by a desire for change and a commitment to self-improvement, he took the first step towards his goal. Chapter 2. Facing challenges. The initial attempts were met with frustration and setbacks. Muscles strained, and motivation waned as he struggled to lift his body from the ground even once. Doubt crept in, but he refused to let it define him. With each failed attempt, he learned resilience and determination. Chapter 3. The Grind. Undeterred by setbacks, he embraced the grind with a newfound determination. Starting small, he focused on mastering proper form and building strength gradually. Push-up by push-up, he pushed past his limits, celebrating every small victory along the way. Chapter 4. Breakthroughs. As weeks turned into months, he began to witness breakthroughs. What once seemed impossible now became achievable. The number of push-ups he could perform steadily increased, fueled by his unwavering commitment and dedication to progress. Chapter 5. Pushing boundaries. With newfound confidence and strength, he set his sights higher. Push-up variations and challenges were embraced eagerly, pushing his physical and mental boundaries further than ever before. Each new milestone fueled his determination to reach greater heights. Chapter 6. Mastery. Finally, after months of hard work and perseverance, he achieved his ultimate goal, mastering the art of performing 100 push-ups. What began as an impossible dream had become a reality through sheer determination, discipline, and a refusal to give up. Chapter 7. Inspiring others. His journey inspired others to embark on their own paths to self-improvement. Through sharing his story and encouraging others to pursue their goals, he became a beacon of hope and inspiration, proving that with dedication and perseverance, anyone can achieve their dreams. Epilogue. A stronger body, a stronger mind. As he reflected on his journey, he realized that the transformation went beyond physical strength. He had become stronger in mind, body, and spirit. With the lessons learned and the challenges overcome, he stood tall, ready to face whatever the future held with confidence and resilience. From 0 to 100 push-ups, his journey was a testament to the power of perseverance, dedication, and the belief that with hard work and determination, anything is possible.